Here's some tech advances of 1900 trivia. Subscribe. Which device was patented by Guglielmo Marconi? Is it A, radio, B, telegraph, C, telephone, or D, computer? The correct answer is A, radio. Who invented the modern assembly line? Is it A, Eli Whitney, B, Karl Marx, C, Thomas Edison, or D, Henry Ford? The correct answer is D, Henry Ford. What became a standard for telegraph communication? Is it A, binary code, B, Morse code, C, semaphore flags, or D, radio waves? The correct answer is B, Morse code. What machine was developed for fabric warp knitting? Is it A, jacquard device, B, knitting needle, C, loom machine, or D, tricot machine? The correct answer is D, tricot machine. Which publication began in 1900 focusing on technology? Is it A, Wired magazine, B, Popular Mechanics, C, Time magazine, or D, Scientific American? The correct answer is B, Popular Mechanics. What invention improved streetcars in urban development? Is it A, bicycle, B, steam engine, C, electric streetcar, or D, horse carriage? The correct answer is C, electric streetcar. What form of communication was enhanced with TTY devices? Is it A, email, B, fax, C, instant messaging, or D, telephone? The correct answer is D, telephone. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.